the coffee's kicking in. Yeah! There's a tempo to life, there's a tempo to every song. You can lift the band and the band can lift you. In the Beatles, it was like being psychic. We knew what to do and we loved to do it with each other. Best band I ever was in. I love to play. I love to sit behind those buggers. It fills a lot of my soul. You know, the way I play is sort of a purposeful way. When it gets to the chorus, go to the bell. I still do to this day because it raises it up. You know, you got to work for the verses. With the chorus, you can rock. With the bass drum, once I've hit it, that's what I've done. Some people like deaden it. Off. Off. The dream of being a drummer came when I was 13. I was in hospital. I had tuberculosis. To keep us busy, a music lady would come in with percussion things, maracas, triangles. She gave me a little teeny drum the first time she came in. And something came over me that I knew this is what I want to do. If I can give you anything to take away, you just got to love what you're doing. And you've got to do it your way. And it doesn't matter if there's 40,000 or 40 people. You've just got to get yourself some friends and play. The more you play, the better life is. I'm Ringo Starr, and this is MasterClass.